Mr. Cyril Ramaphosa, I 99004046 MC Lieutenant Commander Sylvester Volani Mangolele, remove you as President of the Republic of South Africa and Commander-in-Chief of the South African National Defence Force, effective immediately pending the National Assembly giving effect to Section 89 of the Constitution. All prisoners detained in all prisons of the Republic of South Africa, both convicted and on trial, must be released with immediate effect and cleared of all charges against them. This follows a norm and a standard established and monitored for the exercise of the judicial functions of all courts to presume persons guilty based on hearsay evidence, which is inadmissible in any court of law. Judges are appointed by the President, as I am employed to support, protect, and defend the Constitution, the territorial integrity, and national sovereignty of the Republic and our democracy, whose cornerstone is the Bill of Rights. The trade of gold and all natural resources extracted from the soil of the Republic of South Africa, to which we all call home, must stop with immediate effect. As we begin to enjoy freedom in the universe, our home, and bring an end to we, the people of this native land, living to try, endeavor, go all out, attempt, struggle, or strive for freedom in South Africa, our land. It is without fail of service and defense of my country and its people that I declare anew the national anthem to end with the terms, "Let us live and enjoy freedom in the universe, our home," and replace the old terms, "Let us live and strive for freedom in South Africa, our land." It therefore follows that freedom will no more be like a carrot dangled in front of us as the people of this rainbow nation amongst the family of nations. I did not write the Universal Declaration of Human Rights, and in particular, Article 6, which proclaims a common standard of achievement for all people and all nations, to the end that every individual and every organ of state, of society, has the right to recognition everywhere as a person before the law. Everyone is equal before the law, and are entitled without any discrimination to equal protection and benefit of the law. Equality includes the full and equal enjoyment of all rights and freedoms, without fear, favor, or prejudice, all entitled to equal protection against any discrimination in violation of the Declaration and against any incitement to such discrimination. The Constitution imposes obligations that must be fulfilled. As it is the supreme law of the Republic, law or conduct inconsistent with it is invalid. Nowhere in the text of the Constitution and the law did I find an obligation imposing someone to live on the streets as I am obligated. The supremacy of the Constitution and the rule of law imposes a diligent performance of all constitutional obligations without delay that the National Assembly, by a resolution adopted with the supporting vote of at least 2/3 of its members, must remove the President from office on the grounds of serious violation of the Constitution or the law, serious misconduct, or inability to perform the functions of office. I did not choose for the terms of obligation 44(4) of the Constitution to bind Parliament to act only in accordance with and within the limits of the Constitution when exercising its legislative authority, and it is right that Parliament is accountable to the people. I am the people of the Republic of South Africa, whom I carry on my commissioned shoulders, and in terms of Section 54(3) of the Defence Act, only the President may cancel a permanent commission after I have been notified in writing of any complaint or charge made against me, and of any proposed action to be taken in respect thereof, and be called upon to show cause in relation thereto. It is indeed true that the labor law does not apply to me as a soldier, and my regular force service in the South African National Defence Force is terminated upon resignation, upon the end of a fixed-term contract, upon retirement, upon imposed dismissal under the code by a military court, medically rendered permanently unfit to serve in the Defence Force or else. Today I serve in the South African National Defence Force with loyalty and pride, and am without my salary for the past 26 months. And the lawfulness of the only letter I have received from the Chief of the South African Navy in relation to my alleged dismissal sends me to the drums of Polsmo Prison, detained in isolation. Cut.